Now look at this shit. Yeah, you. You know you. I'm sending this to your granny. Go run. This is what you've been doing in the damn closet. Waking me up. Look at this shit. Key, you ain't going back to DSW. Look at this shit. Your DSW is making all this noise and it's scared the all black cat. This. It's around his neck. The other handle. Walk around, Terry. Show your granny what you got. That's your Halloween costume. You a turtle now. Look at this shit. This is a weird cat. A turtle. Fuck the army, Josh. We got the turtle. Look at that. Look at that. That's a owl.